Ever wondered what makes IKEA so successful? It all started in the year 1943 with a 17-year-old Swedish boy named Ingvar Kamprad. Ingvar had a simple yet ambitious dream. He launched IKEA as a mail-order business. Picture this, a young entrepreneur selling small items like pens, wallets, and picture frames, all from the comfort of his home. But Ingvar's vision was bigger than just knickknacks. Just 5 years into the business, in 1948, IKEA took a game-changing turn. Furniture was added to its catalog. This marked the beginning of a remarkable journey. A journey that would transform IKEA from a small mail-order business into a global furniture retail giant. Ingvar's dream had begun to take shape, and the world of furniture would never be the same again. From a small mail-order business to a furniture behemoth, IKEA's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and persistence. But what sets IKEA apart from other furniture retailers? It's their unique business model. IKEA's mission is to offer a wide range of well-designed, functional home furnishing products at prices so low that as many people as possible can afford them. It's about democratizing design and quality, making it accessible to everyone, not just a select few. Now, how do they achieve this? One way is through their innovative flat pack design. By flat packing their products, IKEA significantly reduces shipping costs. Plus, it allows customers to easily transport their purchases home where they can assemble them at their leisure. Then there's IKEA's self-service model. This approach cuts down on staffing needs, passing the savings on to the customer. It's all about efficiency and cost reduction, without sacrificing the quality of their products. So, in a nutshell, IKEA's unique business model is all about providing affordable, quality products to as many people as possible. IKEA's success isn't just about affordable furniture, it's also about sustainability and innovation. A pivotal aspect of IKEA's business ethos is its commitment to becoming people and planet positive by the year 2030. This isn't just a catchy slogan, but a guiding principle that shapes its operations and initiatives. Take, for instance, IKEA's significant investment in renewable energy. The company is not merely a consumer of power, but strives to be a producer too, harnessing the wind and sun to generate electricity. This dedication to clean energy reflects its broader commitment to reducing its environmental footprint. Meanwhile, the company's innovation extends to how its products are consumed. Recognizing the growing demand for a more sustainable lifestyle, IKEA has introduced a furniture rental service. This initiative not only caters to the changing needs of consumers, but also promotes a circular economy. IKEA's commitment to sustainability and innovation is a big part of its appeal to consumers. There's another secret to IKEA's success, the IKEA effect. You might be wondering, what's this IKEA effect? It's a fascinating psychological phenomenon where we, as consumers, place a disproportionately high value on products we've had a hand in creating. Imagine the satisfaction of assembling your own bookshelf, even if it takes a couple of hours and a few extra screws. That's the IKEA effect in action. It's not just about the product, it's about the experience, the journey. From picking out each piece in the showroom to assembling it at home, each step makes us feel more invested in the final product. This is an ingenious strategy that IKEA has mastered, turning a simple shopping trip into an immersive experience. This psychological trick of sorts not only helps IKEA sell more products, but also fosters a deeper connection between the brand and its customers. The IKEA effect adds a unique layer to the brand's success, proving once again that IKEA is much more than just a furniture store.